Good afternoon, everyone. We now have the book launch for the book Suddenly, written by Astha Parekh by Shri Ashok Vajpayee. I would like to invite Dr. Parekh and Mrs. Parekh on the stage along with Ashok ji. Can we have a round of applause for everybody? Thank you so much.
वही रख।
Hello everybody. Today we are going to launch my daughter Astha Parekh's book titled as Suddenly. We humans are mere mortals, but if there are things that can make us immortal, they are things we do, create, and the changes we bring in the life of people. One becomes immortal by bringing a change in others' life. The difference that we make in the lives of others is enough for us to be remembered and cherished. And what better way than using words to make an impact and bring in change in the lives of people. The book Suddenly is a compilation of some beautiful poems written by Astha Parekh, a young girl who is no more in this world. A young girl to whom writing did not happen by chance. Words were her companions from her early childhood when she used to write poems on her way back from her school in school buses, on newspapers, school notebooks, registers and diaries as well. Astha even wrote a poem a few days before she met with an accident. The poem is titled Suddenly, and she had composed this song and uploaded it on SoundCloud and YouTube as well. The poems penned by Astha are reflections of her life on thoughts, death, hope and aspirations. Astha Parekh formed an essential part of 2007 batch of BITS Pilani. She started her BITSian journey as a studious student with 10 out of 10 pointer in first semester. However, she had different dreams and aspirations. In the coming semesters, she strove to achieve excellence in other facets of student life. She was an amazing dancer who performed several dance forms in her school and college years. She also had a marvelous command over language and words. She weaved out several poems, songs, short stories and shared them through her blog. She also composed some of her own songs. Her strong resolve to live life beyond ordinary was a source of inspiration for many. She was one of the most lively and spirited students in her batch. She had this one big dream of writing a book, sitting in a bookshop and signing her books for the people who came to buy her books. But the dreamer was shattered in an accident in the valleys of Sikkim, where she has gone with her friends and colleagues before leaving for the USA for doing her master's degree in computer science. Heartbroken, but still to fulfill her intense desire to become an author and publish a book in her name, we, her parents, decided to bring her dream come true. The dreamer is gone, but the dream lives on. Thank you.
Suddenly by the road I see one of me. I
Knock me out, pull me in, make me one of you. Miracle of time, run away with me. Knock me out, pull me in, make me one of you. Miracle of time, run away with me. Run away, oh you.
Friends, it's both a sad moment, but also a touching moment that a girl who died so young has one of her wishes fulfilled posthumously, that a book of her poems has come out. By way of preface, what I wrote, I like to read a part of it. Poetry is one way of looking around, of finding one's world, of exploring relationship, of talking to the world. Astha was a young girl who took to poetry to do all these things with much enthusiasm, putting in words her personal and social reality. The words, which in many poems rhyme with each other, are drenched in a zest for life and love. They are honest and transparent, even if sometimes they are unsure. Poetry, all too often, is written not only with words, but also with sincerity. I'd like to read, by way of homage, a simple poem, a short one, Living in the Head. We live more in our heads, don't we? The simple act of trying to get a paper plane flying can mean a step towards the moon to one, or just waste of time to someone. We live more in our heads. We all do. Thank you.
Now I will recite one of the poem. What are we as a nation? What are we as a nation? The proud percentages of vote banks, the physical fisticuffs in the parliament, one fair man against a corrupt 10, Dilwalon ki Dilli, the gang rape man, some wait for salvation, others make for celebration. Others make for celebration. What are we as a nation? Gold medals, Olympic achievements, to the electoral embarrassments, Swadeshi, the economic movement, to FDI, a brand attunement, foreign language in national conversation, foreigners leading administration. What are we as a nation? Feeding souls by the pavement, worms lost in merriment, tax-paying public servant, fraud scams by government, some clean plates, search ration, others sweep their portion. What are we as a nation? Telangana procurement, to Kaveri water went, honor-killing clans, Naxalite militants, some breathe pollution, others while others intoxication. So what are we as a nation? Now I will invite my wife, Dr. Alka Parikh, to give for Thanksgiving.
Good evening, everybody. My heartiest thanks for Shri Ashok Vajpayee ji for writing forward and launching Astha's poetry book suddenly. Without his help, wouldn't have been this platform. I'm also thankful for JLF team, Sir Sanjay K. Roy, who not only provided us platform, but always had smiling and warm gesture which gave us motivation and strength. Thanks a lot, Dr. Anju Dadda Mishra, for her guidance, encouragement, and patience while editing Astha's poetry book. In the end, thanks to all of you present here to grace this occasion. कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहूंगी आस्था की तरफ से। कोई अचानक ये मिलता नहीं जमाने में, कुछ तो रिश्ता रहा होगा हमारा, इस जन्म में न सही पिछले किसी जन्म में, मैं कोई अपना सा रहा होगा तुम्हारा, मैं कोई अपना सा रहा होगा तुम्हारा। आपकी आस्था। थैंक यू।